Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at Annihilation 2. Now essentially guys, this is a two-part system and a method that consists of a software and a specific method to drive free targeted traffic from an unknown traffic source, which is mixed. Now I'm not really sure if you guys heard about this traffic source, because this is the first time that I heard about this traffic source. But inside of the system guys, you will be given access to a monetization part where you can get access to a done for you high ticket offer that you can use guys and make $329 over and over again just by using this exact free traffic source that they're gonna show you inside of the members area. Alright, so essentially you'll never have to worry about getting a high quality, proven and evergreen product or offer to make you money, and you never have to worry about getting traffic, because one of the biggest problem when it comes to making money online, selling product or services, is actually getting traffic, right? Traffic is one of the foundation when it comes to making money online. So you'll be given access guys to a free traffic source that you can tap in. Basically this untapped traffic source will let you siphon other people's content, driving the traffic into the monetization part of this system and make $329 over and over again. Right, so that's pretty much this is all about. Now as you can see guys, I'm inside of the Annihilation 2, but before I'm gonna walk you through inside of the members area right here, let me show you first guys my bonuses. That way when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you will get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out surefire your success with Annihilation 2. Alright, so when you scroll down at the bottom portion of this website or this page right here, you can get access guys to all of my custom crafted bonuses specific only for this offer right here. My bonus number 1, I'm gonna show you guys the exact blueprint that I use to generate $70 over and over again from clickbank. Now this is not like a theory, this is a live case study guys. I'm gonna show you exactly the exact offer that I use, the exact traffic source that I use, and the exact automated system that I set up that generates me $70 over and over again on autopilot. Alright, so that is my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2 guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to a case study. This is actually a FET method to drive free unlimited evergreen free traffic to any kind of offer you want. You can use this method to also drive free traffic inside of the monetization part system of Annihilation. Alright, now I actually I have a word with Jamie Lewis right here, and I told him that my evergreen traffic works for his gold mine seeker offer, and he says nice, right? So I actually sent him sales using this exact strategy, which is this FET method to drive evergreen free traffic to any offer. Right, so that is my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3, I'm gonna give you guys access to the exact method and blueprint guys that I use guys to make $100 within 24 hours, and this uses free traffic strategy that you can implement right now. Right, this is really powerful, and if I would start from scratch, this is the exact method that I would do guys to make $100 within 24 hours, and the best part, this is free traffic strategy. Alright, so that is my bonus number 3. My bonus number 4, I'm gonna give you guys access to an automated software. This is a bot that will help you build the following from Twitter, and will let you guys send free traffic to whatever offer or product that you want, right? So this is my bonus number 4. And then my bonus number 5, I'm gonna show you guys the exact strategy, the exact method that I use, guys, to use Facebook to make big commissions and build my email list completely for free. Now this method, guys, is hiding in plain sight, and you're not realizing this method, but basically, guys, everyone is using this method, and if you're not using this method right now, you're actually leaving money in the table. Alright, so this is my bonus number 5. My bonus number 6, guys, is I'm gonna give you guys access to my affiliate marketing course that I created, which is Crack the Code. Now this course will gonna show you guys how to 5x or 10x the conversions of your traffic, turning the traffic into sales and make more money. And I put all of my knowledge in this training course right here. So this is a 3-part system as well. It's gonna show you how to 10x the conversions of your traffic. Alright, and of course, guys, you also get access to all vendor bonuses. Alright, guys, so here are vendor bonuses, and this is only, guys, available during the launch period. Alright, bonus 1, you will get access, guys, to YouTube Money Machine. Bonus 2 is you will get access to email inboxer software. Bonus 3 is you will get access to 10 exclusive plugins, list building profit kit, affiliate list pro, monster software package, affiliate monster, 6 done for you funnels, 20 free plugins, commission on fire. You also get access, guys, to the rapid income system, WP ebook maker, instant traffic for pennies, 25 proven traffic. Alright, so all of these bonuses right here. Alright, so those are all vendor bonuses, and again, guys, all of those bonuses is only available for the launch period. And when you guys click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you this to the sales page that looks something like this. And they might change the sales page, guys, because this is the second time that they launches this product in the marketplace. Alright, so this is the sales page, and the headline says mix hungry buyers into high ticket commissions. Now let me walk you through inside of the members area right here. Alright, guys, so this is the members area of Annihilation, and once you log in into your account, guys, you can get access, guys, into this step-by-step process right here. So step number 1 is this is where you access, guys, to a different kind of traffic source that you can use. If you wanted to use other traffic source, apart from Mix, you can also sign up to this traffic source right here. Alright, and then step number 2 is this is where you access, guys, to the monetization part of this system. You will be given access, guys, to not just product, a high quality product, that will do the selling for you on autopilot and make $329. Right, this is a custom offer, and you cannot see this offer in the marketplace. This is exclusive only for Annihilation customers, so you'll be given access into this custom offer, and you can make $329 over and over again from this offer. Alright, and then this comes with Squeeze Page Builder, and then this Copy Spinner. But before I'm gonna dive into this Squeeze Page Builder and Copy Spinner, let me walk you through inside of the training part right here. And this is where you access, guys, to this 55-minute video right here, where Jamie will walk you through, on how to set the system, on how the system works, on how you can make $329 on autopilot over and over again. Right, so this is where you watch the entire presentation and how the system works. Right, and then and this module number 1 is, or tutorial number 1, this is where Jamie is gonna walk you through inside of the members area right here. And then module number 2, or tutorial number 2, is the monetization part system. So this is where you access into the done for you offer that you can use for to make $329. So it's basically Jamie is gonna walk you through how to get access into that custom offer. And then module number 3, or traffic, or tutorial number 3, is how to get the traffic and how you can use Mix to drive free traffic into your custom offer. And then module number 4, or tutorial number 4, is an additional traffic strategy as well. And then they have this added videos right here. This is not included in the training part, but this is just an additional tutorials and videos that you can also watch and implement to scale your business, to scale your affiliate marketing business. Alright, so they have this intro, business model ideas, crypto number 1, crypto step number 1, and then crypto step number 2, and then how to start an insane profitable agency. Alright, so they also have included that right here as additional training. Alright guys, now let me walk you through to the squeeze page builder right here. So this is the software that you can also use, guys, to build your website or to build your squeeze page right here. So when you guys click on this one right here, it will take you into this cloud-based web application, and it will let you create a website. You can create a website from scratch, and they have this blocks and widgets right here that you can use to create a website or create your squeeze page, landing pages. It doesn't really matter. So let's say you wanted to add a navigation right here, and you can choose a template right here for your navigation right here. You wanted to add a hero section like this, and this software can save you hundreds of dollars. Content right here, right? So they have this multiple elements and widgets right here, that you can use in to create a professional landing pages and website or squeeze pages. Alright, so I think that would be in this demo, guys. And by the way, guys, this also comes with SEO software right here and some upgrade. Now let me show you what are those upgrades. You can actually learn those upgrades inside of my bonus page right here. Alright, so guys, so upsell number 1, guys, is BIP done for you. They will set up everything for you, so you don't need to worry anything at all if you wanted to consider this upgrade. And then upgrade number 2, guys, is additional traffic and monetization sources. Upgrade number 3 is partner with Jamie. You'll get access, guys, to an unlimited attendance to the webinar training for life, plus priority service and attention in the webinars that Jamie performed or held since 2011. And then OTO number 4 is platinum. So basically this is gonna let you ethically hijack or hijack the traffic source from their launches and put your tracking pixels into their sales pages. OTO number 5, guys, is diamond. Now unfortunately I forgot to put the description of the upgrade right here, but I'm gonna update this page with that correct information of that specific upgrade right here. Alright, so those are all of the upgrades, guys, and if you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and thank you so much for watching this review video, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye, love you. Bye.